Ano hilig mo sa isang babae?
Don't wanna let it slide, yeah. Wanna walk past you, you easily cross my mind, yeah. But I know I'm average, don't wanna waste your time, yeah. Maybe I can smell your scent, maybe we can share some common sense.
Hey guys, welcome to my vlog. I'm at Ikea today. I'm gonna be shopping for a new desk for my room because I'm doing reorganize in my room so I can sometimes record in it. So yeah, I'll show you guys around. So you guys are probably wondering why my hair is so damn messy. It's because I didn't have time this morning to work on my hair because it was such a rush and there was pretty much not much I can do because I have to go to a photo shoot later. So yeah. Anyway, stay till the end of the video because I have to make a few announcements and about my YouTube channel and me personally. So I hope you guys watch till the end. Alright guys, so we just took a break. Had just like a small meal because we're a bit indecisive with getting a furniture, but we're back on track right now, so yeah. What's up guys, I just finished assembling my desktop, so medyo tinatagalan kasi mabagal ako magbasa ng instructions, but hinaya. So medyo nag-rush ako ngayon kasi I have to go to a photo shoot. Medyo madilim na nga eh, but yeah, kailangan po mag-ready, but ito po medyo basic. And so I'll see you guys later sa photo shoot. What's up guys, nandito po kami sa parang photo shoot gallery. I'm with some of my friends for the photo shoot. Yo Dan. Okay. Kapag umuwi ka ng Pinas, ano ang pinaka-namimiss mong kainin? Kainin?
Mga basta mga Bisaya. Ito si Chad. Mga bish. Gusto ko yung kinilaw. Kasi,
Kinilaw?
maanghang siya tapos medyo maalat. So, mahilig sa maalat.
Maalat? Ikaw ba? Maalat? Mahilig ka sa maalat?
Mahilig ako sa matamis. Mahilig ako sa halo-halo.
Masarap yun! Mark. What? Ano hilig mo sa isang babae? Yung type mo sa isang babae? Mahilig ako sa mga mapabuti, tapos mababait. Mapabuti?
Oh, tsaka yung mga pamabait.
Personality kayo.
Personality yung pinaka-importante sa akin.
Ako kasi, hilig ako sa parang sexy.
Sexy.
Coca-Cola bottle yung katawan.
I've been flipping pages since I could remember. That told me I had to be within the lines of 2 degrees and 9 to 5. And I've been working after work since last September. Working after work, yeah. I stay up late on the weekdays. I never tell when we say. I never wanna look back and wish I could have been at Take a chance on faith, so take a chance. I never wanna look back. Take a chance. Take a chance on faith. Take a chance on faith. I never wanna look back. Take a chance on faith. So take a chance. Take a chance on faith. It's too late now. It's something I never wanna say. I stand my ground. I need to be who I'm meant to be. Yeah, I don't see it any other way. I know I gotta keep the faith. I never wanna look back and wish I could have been. I'm never gonna regret the hours I've been putting in. So take a chance on faith. Your mind's a boundless place. So take a chance, take a chance on faith. So take a chance, take a chance on faith. So take a chance. I never wanna look back.
NANI?!
Faith. So take a chance, take a chance on faith. I never wanna look back. Take a chance on faith. So take a chance. Take a chance on faith.
Dan. Oh. Pili ka ba sa chocolate?
Not.
Not? Why not? Alright, so photo shoot sesh done. I don't know what we're doing yet. So I'll see you guys later. So what's up guys? I'm home now. I actually had the photo shoot the other day. But then I was too tired so I couldn't record anything after. So I'm editing the video right now and then I realized I forgot to say the announcement that I was supposed to say. Look at it right now. Anyways, like I said, about my YouTube channel and just me personally, I want to make a Facebook page, but it's work in progress, so hopefully you guys follow me and support me there as well. But I'll let you guys know in my Instagram, people who do follow me and people who don't follow me, so you guys are updated. Another thing is, you guys probably noticed that I've been speaking more English and less Tagalog in my vid, and especially in today's video. That's because I'm like, a lot of my friends are suggesting for me to add subtitles, so I don't know if I'll just add subtitles when I speak Tagalog, or since I mostly speak Tagalog in this channel anyways, or just speak a lot of English so they can understand it, so that like I get more people to watch it, since a lot of my friends are suggesting that. So that's kind of nice to know, and let me know what you guys think about that. Hopefully you guys still support me in that decision that I'm going to be making, and I'm still open to feedback, so just let me know. And the last thing is about shoutouts. I do love making shoutouts. Kung pwede lang, i-shoutout ko kay lahat. But it takes time in the videos and it takes time to make it because I have to cut the messages. And like I said, I'm busy with school, so yun nga. I hope you guys understand that I'm probably not going to be doing them every video. So yeah, I'll just try to make them in some videos. And yeah, that should be all. As always, thank you for always watching my videos. I hope you guys enjoy it. Please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.
Grade 11 felt like 7th heaven. Couldn't even talk when I saw you, yeah, I was breathless.